Hello everyone, this is me ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an SC expert and a owner of a Google Partner company. So today I'm here again. Guess what? I'm here again with best practices for Google Ads for 2024. So if I ask you what could be the best practices for Google Ads to be done in 2024, can you make a guess? What it could be? What do you think can be the best practices you have in your mind? I just want you to think for a moment on what possible things can be the best practices before I start. And before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So I have thought that you have thought something, but let's get started on what I have in my mind for today's video. So let's get started on this. Okay, the first thing I gonna vote for 2024 is to work out on keyword research. Okay, keyword research can do wonders. So by keyword research I mean to understand the intent behind the keyword. Okay, the intent is very important. Intent is, with what mindset the customer have searched a specific query on Google. That mindset needs to be understood very, you know generating traffic should not be that, because you are eventually paying for each money to for each visitor to land on your website. So there is a cost associated with every visitor being landed on your website, which is why the intent behind the visitor is very important. For instance, if a user is a in his awareness cycle and he wants to search more about the brand but not ready to buy, also the keyword can be relevant, but there is no point of targeting those keywords. Or in case if it's a user is comparing that product with another product, even in the comparing stage, awareness stage, getting to know more about the features, there is, even if there's a complaint phase, if the person is searching what complaints, side effects, warnings, competitors. Okay, these are, the specific set of keywords you may need to avoid while doing your keyword research. That you need to understand the best mindset with every keyword the person is searching for. Even if there is a buying keyword, even if buying keywords have a different mindset. For instance, if a user is searching buy iPhone deals or cheap iPhone, also these three are the buying keywords. Even you can search for local keywords in your area as well. Local keywords can also work very well. But what I'm going to tell you over here is that when someone is searching buy iPhone and when someone is searching iPhone deals, the mindset is different. With the buy iPhone, he just want to buy iPhone, but with iPhone deals, he is looking for something combo. And with cheap iPhone, it means that he needs something, the cheapest option he is going to have. He can wait for a day to something, because price is the most important thing over here. The quality is the most important thing over here. So try to understand the intent behind every keyword, and that should be your first goal while creating your campaign or for while best practices for 2024 for Google Ads. The second could be ad relevancy. Ad relevancy can be another part as well. Highly optimized landing page with highly optimized ad copy with highly optimized highly relevant keyword, these three can do the wonders. So ad relevancy should be a very important element. So my suggestion is to work on ad relevancy. Third is to have a highly relevant converting landing page. Okay, come on guys, you are paying for each visitor to land on your website. Do you want your experience to be compromised? No. So you need to have your scroll form, landing page, everything being shown above. So let me give you an example as well on this. For instance, you can take this landing page. Okay, this is a fine landing page, but this is a better landing page, because you can see over here the logo face over here, the form over here. Without scrolling, they are getting the every information possible over here. So that can do the wonders. So something like this can do a lot of stuff. So you can see over here landing pages, this can see more improvement. But something like complete information, even without scrolling, even getting your logos, marks, this can do wonders. And then, for instance, this is another landing page which I have rated 9 by 10. You can see over here the landing page over here. You can see over here the landing page, start for free, everything over here, comparison, videos, information stuff. So and highly converting landing page should be an important element of your 2024 Google Ads best practices. My next point is regarding ads questioning. Okay, not every ad is converting hour. Even if you got the perfect buying keyword, even if you got the perfect landing page, even if you got the perfect location where you are going to target, understand the ads scheduling. Ad scheduling is very important, and ad scheduling is, the right time to target the right people, when to target the people in your area, or when they buy the most. Understand it. That is another important. And my next Google ad practice is ad extensions. Okay, there are so many extensions to use. For instance, if you look around on ad extensions over here, you can see that Google offers you a lot: business name, business logo, site link, call outs, structured snippet extensions, call, lead form, price, app, promotion extensions. So these apps can do the wonders. For instance, the promotion app is very good, and I was, showing to the client. Let me show to you it as well. For instance, you can see over here that the promotion extension, you can see over here, $20 off on me men jeans. So this can, attract the human eye. So use the ad extensions where possible, and that is another important practice to use for Google ads in 2024. My next point is conversion tracking. As a marketer, data is everything, and for to understand the data, you get to know the analytics. Try to see the data. What is working for you? What thing working for A is not necessarily mean is going to work for point B. So understand your market. Even I suggest you for a highly converting landing page or even for a website. My next point is going to be keep on doing A/B testing with landing pages, uh, and with ads. People can eventually get bored. So something new, focus. So look on that as well. Focus on events, whatever events in your local area. Target those areas. Have customized campaign for them with landing pages. So this is my next point of strategy. You need to look around. My next point again is about budget management. See around. It's not a wise idea to spend your money at the peak. For instance, when I say ad scheduling, I can understand the peak hours. Of peak hours, you need to understand the peak days as well. For some businesses, the first 10 days of the calendar month are very good, and for some, the last 10 days are very good. So try to understand. But majority of the businesses I have seen that the first 20 days of the month are technically very good. But yeah, I have seen that, in the last 10 days, what people can do is, if you try to understand the budget management, you can create promotional offers for last 10 days so that your sales does not get affected. So you can use this point as well in optimizing. My last point, and that is going to be about the competitors. Okay, competitors are your best teachers, and that is technically a true story. You can learn a lot from your competitors. If they are successful, if they are running ads, they are doing it for some reason. We just have to, I'm not saying to replicate their strategy, I'm not saying to exactly copy what they have in the mind, but I'm just saying that keep a strong eye on your competitors. What they are doing is very important for you. If they create a new offer, you need to know very well. If they are coming with a new product, new packaging, new design, new deal, new offer, how they are attracting their customers, how they are grabbing their customers, that is very important. What is working well for them, what kind of ads they are running, what kind of a CPC they are doing, what are their peak timings, how they are acquiring customers, what sort of digital marketing strategies they are using. Keep an eye on their social media pages as well to see what they are doing. That is very important. Competitors are going to teach you a lot regarding this. So, even for my majority of our clients, we have a very strong eye on our competitors, their biddings, their strategies. So because they teach us a lot, if they are targeting something, they are doing it for a reason, and if they are running at it, means that it is working well for them. So if the ad can work well for them, why not for us? You can see their offer copy, what is special for them. Just think as a customer and open the competitor page and see what is actually highlighting, or what is, grabbing your attention. Just simply try to understand it, and open now your website as a customer, and ask yourself, do you have a same feeling? Are you going to buy the product from your own website as a customer? When you do a comparison, you are going to understand on where, what are your losing ends. So which is why understanding the competitive research is very important, because it can teach you your losing ends. So fix those losing ends, and you can only understand it when you do the competitors research and have a strong eye on competitors. This can do wonder. So just follow these strategies, in 2024 to make your Google Ads campaign stand out from the crowd. So I hope you like the video. In case, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding my next video. Still have questions? You are more than welcome to write down in the comments of this video. And in case if you need me or my team services in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO services, management services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.